welcome. We're back today with another in our tip series, Designing Phases. And this is a game where we're helping you not only design your space, but we're offering tips based on the phase of life you're in. Isn't that awesome? And back to help us is Anna Arun. She's from Coddle, and she's got some tips for designing phases. Welcome back, Anna. Nice to see you.
Glad to be here.
Glad to have you. So today we are talking about that first apartment. Remember your first apartment?
Absolutely.
Yeah, me too. It can be both exciting, right? And maybe a little bit overwhelming, whether you're maybe a recent college grad or finally out on your own, yes?
Yes.
Okay, but you're back to help us with that. And once again, you're gonna help us design and decorate for this new phase of life. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's see what you got. Okay, my girl, this is a wow factor if I ever saw one. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love the colors. I love everything and how it's come together.
Like you said, first apartment, so likely it is small, challenge with space.
A loft.
That's right.
A
loft,
studio like I had.
A condo. That's right. And they're just out of college, so probably a student loan.
Yep.
Constrained on the budget, right? First job, just trying to get settled in, right?
real.
So they are looking to make this first place of theirs, right? Still wanting to entertain friends and want to make it look nice and can't really have a bed and a sofa. So they want to look for a multifunctional piece that really makes the home or the place look soft, comforting, and inviting.
Okay, good. So it all starts with the centerpiece, which is the sofa, right? Tell me about this sofa.
At Coddle, we are here to tell you that the young folks don't have to anymore feel like because they're constrained on a budget, they have to compromise on looks and quality, right?
That's awesome.
So we designed this sofa for a small space, for a room where they can put the furniture right in the middle of the room. They don't have to stick it by the wall. We finished it all the way around so it can look pretty anywhere. Now let me show you how it works.
I know you got something else to show me here.
Yep.
Wow, oh, look at this. Here we go.
So now you can use...
So now it looks like you have a little ottoman on one side or and a sofa in one.
That's right.
I love it. Very, very versatile.
So one person can just lounge while the other person sits,
is
right?
sitting, and then what else is happening here?
So you can open the other side.
Oh boy.
Right?
So now you can have guests over, even if you have a really small studio.
That's right.
And a little bedroom for yourself, you can actually have people over.
And two people can sleep on it comfortably. And
Very
if
comfortably.
you notice, we finish it all the way around so it doesn't look like an inexpensive piece of furniture. You
Very
can also
well thought
take
out.
these back pillows off. By the way, they come off, they're zipped on.
Okay.
So it gives you additional space so two people can comfortably sleep on it.
Wow, it looks so expensive.
But it's not,
It's like
and it's very, very
treat
functional.
for a young person starting out.
That's right.
And while you're reassembling it back to the morning, where the guests are waking up and having a nice breakfast,
Yeah.
what else should a young person who's just starting out look for to pull together a beautiful look like this?
So first things first, do your research, right? Don't worry about having to compromise anything. There are companies like us out there who make a good piece of furniture. Think about students and everybody who
All
can...
phases.
All phases, that's right. So they can still afford a nice piece of functional furniture and not worry about compromising comfort or paying too much money,
Or
right?
paying too much.
And then this is a piece of functional furniture, comfortable, beautiful looking, and they can feel like a real adult.
So much value. They're going to be proud to say that they got such a great piece of furniture, such a great decision as a young adult. Anna, thank you so much for these wonderful tips. And for more information just like this, go ahead and check out the Coddle website at coddleme.com, or of course our website, designingspaces.tv. And you gotta watch for more of these wonderful designing phases tips in the future from Anna at Coddle, only here on Designing Spaces. I'm tired. Let's have a seat. Oh, it's so comfortable.